show that for any event A, 0 is less than or equal to P of A less than or equal to 1, where P of A is the probability of A, that means the probability of the event A. We take the proof. We are going to make good use of a Venn diagram to represent this. Remember, an event is a subset of sample space. If this is our sample space, then this is the event E. This is E. By making use of the cardinality of sets, you will see that the cardinality of the set A is less than or equal to the cardinality of the sample space, that means the universal set. So this will give us, we have A is a subset of the sample space. Then, taking their cardinalities, we know that the cardinality of a set can either be 0 or it is more than 0. That means 0 will be less than or equal to the cardinality of the set A, which is less than or equal to the cardinality of the sample space, that means the universal set. Don't confuse this and this. This one stands for a subset of, while this one stands for less than or equal to. Next step, we are going to divide all through this double inequality by n of omega. This will give us 0 divided by n of omega is less than or equal to n of A divided by n of omega less than or equal to n of omega divided by n of omega. N of omega is different from 0. This will give us 0 divided by a non-zero number is 0 is less than or equal to, we are dividing the number of possible outcomes of the event A by the total number of possible outcomes. So this will simply give us the probability of A is less than or equal to n of omega divided by n of omega. This will give us 1. Then we conclude, therefore, 0 is less than or equal to P of A less than or equal to 1 for any event A. We are done with this proof. If in case you have any questions, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.